This concept is a product of global collaboration. It was inspired by the street of Brazil and designed for its people.
The music and landscape and lifestyle, it's so diverse.
We try to look at different cultures and look at different parts of the world and provide vehicles which fit their environments better.
All the Nissan products have to be exciting and innovative.
There's a sense of fluidity, of sculpture and motion and speed. It's a unique approach that combines capability and toughness and durability and ruggedness.
This is the concept that dares to go beyond.
And it could only come from Nissan.